Hello, my gorgeous style icons. Welcome back to Dress, Dine, and Shine, where we believe fashion isn't just about what you wear, it's how you show up to the world. Sparkles, today, we're diving into a topic that nobody talks about enough: fashion mistakes that silently chip away at your confidence. Grimacing face, but don't worry, I'm not just pointing fingers. I'm going to show you exactly how to fix these mistakes instantly so you can walk out that door feeling radiant, empowered, and 100% you. Style mistakes. Style power moves fire, prohibited. Mistake number 1. Wearing clothes that don't fit properly. Movie camera. Cut to clips of ill-fitting outfits versus tailored ones. First up, the number 1 culprit: wearing clothes that don't fit your body right. Whether it's too tight or drowning you in fabric, an ill-fitting piece makes you feel uncomfortable, and it shows. White heavy checkmark. Quick fix: get your clothes tailored, especially jeans, jackets, and blazers. Know your body type and shop for it, not against it. Don't size down just because it's on sale. Fit first, always. Mistake number 2. Dressing just to blend in, trying to disappear in a sea of neutrals and basic looks. Playing it too safe might feel comfortable, but it doesn't help you stand tall. White heavy checkmark. Style fix: add one bold accessory, earrings, bag, scarf, or statement shoes. Experiment with colors that light up your skin tone. Mix patterns or textures to bring dimension to your outfit. Mistake number 3. Wrinkled or poorly maintained clothing. Movie camera. Cut to wrinkled shirt versus freshly steamed one. This one's small, but mighty. Wrinkled clothes send the message that you're not polished, even if your style is on point. White heavy checkmark. Confidence fix: invest in a handheld steamer. It's a lifesaver. Hang up clothes right after drying. Use fabric shavers to keep clothes fuzz-free and fresh. Mistake number 4. Over-accessorizing or mismatched styling. Accessories should complement, not compete, with your outfit. When everything is bold, nothing stands out. White heavy checkmark. Quick fix: use the rule of 3, max 3 standout pieces per look. Choose either statement earrings or a bold necklace, not both. Match metals or tones for a cohesive vibe. Mistake number 5. Worn out shoes or wrong footwear. Never underestimate the power of a great pair of shoes. Scuffed, old, or inappropriate footwear can ruin your whole look and your posture. White heavy checkmark. Fix it instantly. Keep shoes clean, polished, and in shape. Always match your footwear to the occasion. Invest in one classic, go-to pair that makes you feel unstoppable. Mistake number 6. Ignoring personal style. Trends are fun, but if it's not you, it'll show. Dressing out of alignment with your personality creates discomfort, and discomfort kills confidence. White heavy checkmark. Instant confidence fix: identify your style keywords, e.g., romantic, edgy, minimalist. Build a wardrobe around pieces that you naturally gravitate toward. Wear what makes you feel powerful, not what Instagram says is trending. Bonus tips: quick confidence boosters. Always check the mirror from the back. Use posture, shoulders back, chin up. Wear your signature color. Keep a go-to outfit ready for off days. Smile: it's the ultimate accessory. Grinning face with smiling eyes. Pushpin on screen list. Confidence boost checklist. Heavy checkmark. Good posture. Heavy checkmark. Personal scent. Heavy checkmark. Clean nails. Heavy checkmark. Polished shoes. Heavy checkmark. One power piece. Looking confident starts with feeling confident, and your style can absolutely help you get there. Don't be afraid to audit your wardrobe, elevate your everyday looks, and let your true self shine through every outfit. If this helped you, give it a big thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button, and drop a comment below. Which of these mistakes are you guilty of, and which fix are you trying first? Until next time, remember: dress with purpose, dine with grace, and always, always shine with confidence. Dizzy.